Alright everyone, hello and welcome to the video. My name is Trey. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to input a chat box directly into your stream itself for YouTube. And this is pretty simple. This is particularly for users of OBS software and also a Mac user in general. Because this is, I think, very specific to my situation, although I'm sure that this method would work across the board. Anyway, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to this website, chatv2.septipus.com, and you're going to go here and you're going to change all of the information for the code that it's going to make to design your chat box. So you can change the outline size of the font itself in general, the outline color. You can make it show or not show an outline. You can change the avatar size and whether or not it's going to show an avatar. You can also change the font of the channel names and the size of that font, line height, color, and the color of different users, like the owner, the moderator, the sponsor, or just a viewer in general would be also applicable here in this part. So font, you can change the font of messages themselves. You can change the size, the line height, the color, whether or not that font or whether or not that text appears on a new line or the same line as the commenter. You can also add timestamps, so that makes it to where you can see what time someone has said something. You can change the font size, line height, etc. for that. You can also go down here and change the background's information. So if you want a background in the whole thing, you can make the opacity, however you would like to say that, and you can change it. You can change the color. You can use bars instead of backgrounds. You can also change the message background color just for the message itself, and you can change the color for owners, moderators, and sponsors. So that's really cool. You can also change all of this information if you're using Super Chat. And finally, last but not least, you can change the animation. Now, the only drawback of using this method, as I've found, is if you want to make the message time out and animate out, what's going to happen is this new message, let's say it appears, and then it times out. The next message is going to be below that, and it's not going to slide up for whatever reason. It will slide up if you have multiple messages coming in to your feed, but some of us aren't necessarily that popular in that respect. You can also change the wait time for that timing out. Change the fade out animation timing. Change whether or not it slides. You can make it go a reverse slide. And here you can just play that animation to see what it looks like. I don't think we've got anything selected, so I'm not sure why I hit that. So the first thing you're going to do, once you're done with this, is you're going to take this CSS information here. You're going to copy every single bit of it, and you're going to go to a browser source in your OBS software. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a browser source. You're going to go to Create New, of course, and you're going to open this box. So the first thing you want to do is you want to delete this information in this CSS text box, and you want to put all of the information from the one over here on the website in there. The next thing you want to do is you're going to go to find your URL of your live chat feed. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your live chat, and what you're going to do now is you're going to pop it out. Make it a pop-out chat. And in that pop-out chat, particularly for a Mac user as myself, you're going to see a URL on the top of that chat, and you're going to type that URL into this area right here, and that will give you the results that you currently see for this one. So let's test it out. I've already got it set up. So I'm just going to say testing man. Oh yeah. And what's going to happen? It's going to appear on this, and you can actually make it to where they disappear if you really want them. And something I'm going to try right now is I'm just going to try this, see what happens here when you get so much information. Does it actually slide up for you? So you can see they come in pretty quickly for the software. See? Slides up and out. Alright, so that's really about it for this little demonstration. If this has helped you, let me know. Give me a like or a subscribe, and hope to see you guys around on YouTube.